Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So the other day I went over to my friend's house, and right before I left I said, hey, let me look in your toolbox and just kind of see if you have any old tools in there I might be able to clean up. And sure enough, he had this old carpenter's axe or carpenter's hatchet, whatever you want to call it. And it's got the hammer head is all mushroomed out, and obviously the handle's missing. So I said, hey, give that to me. Let me put a handle on it for you. You know, I owed him a favor anyway. So I said, let me take that. So none of the big box stores carry wooden handles for things like this, and I'm not one of those guys who can carve one up like I see on YouTube. So I got online, and there's a place that specializes in hammer handles, and I ordered a new one, and it came in. So let's get after it. Well, that ought to do it. I didn't see any reason to go overboard on the polish or shine, but you know, I did want to clean it up. I always like the before and after shot. Main thing is I wanted to do a good job putting the handle on it, and wanted to sharpen it up a little bit. I've never sharpened an axe before, but I looked on YouTube, and there was a guy that explained it pretty simply. So, you know, for what it is, I think I did a good job. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.